Hello, good morning. And so, commercial lot tour muna tayo. If you are interested or looking, or may kilala kayong looking for investment sa ating mga commercial lot, in the future, papamana nyo sa mga anak ninyo, or may plan kayo to retire in the Philippines at nag-iisip kayo, future business, at least masisecure nyo, magkakaroon kayo ng property, you secure the property and invest to it. So, tara, dadaling ko kayo papakita ko sa inyo yung mga available lots, commercial lots natin dito sa Villares Lares Commercial Lot Residence. Ayan, so from MacArthur Highway, itong ating entrance ng Lares Villares Residences, yan, subdivision. So, established na rin, marami na rin nakatirang sa subdivision natin na bahay. Ayan, so marami na nakatira doon. And ito yung mga established commercial shops, clinic, and mga buildings yan. So, marami na ditong kainan and yan, mga parlor, mga nails and toes. And if you're interested in the future, magkaroon din kayo ng sariling commercial building or any business here, may available lots tayo here dito sa kanang side. Dito sa halos tapat ng Dali, meron tayong 90 plus na available dyan, dalawang 90 plus, and meron ding 100 and 700 plus. So nakita nyo na, and I hope you schedule for tripping, or if you want to inquire more, mag-ask ng tanong, don't hesitate to message and contact us. Thank you and God bless.